Hey everyone, Daniel here. I'm the founder of Recipe Cost Calculator, and welcome to YouTube, where we're going to be creating some content that is going to demonstrate how Recipe Cost Calculator can help your business. We're also going to look at making some other interesting videos from other chefs or restaurants in the industry, and I'd love to hear from you any feedback that you have about what kind of videos you might want to see from us. Before we get any further, I just want to stop and let you know that Recipe Cost Calculator is lovingly referred to as RCC most of the time by many of our customers, because saying Recipe Cost Calculator over and over is quite a mouthful. Recipe Cost Calculator is a powerful and easy to use software that really targets multiple food businesses. Whether you have a restaurant or a bakery or manufacturing company, catering company, meal prep, a bar, a microbrewery, we have great software to help you run that food business better, get insight into your costing, and do a ton of other things that are going to save you time and money and hopefully reduce your stress levels. RCC is different in that we have always offered super transparent pricing. We never hide behind a sales call. Most customers get started right away. Within minutes, they're creating ingredients and recipes in the software. You can change your plan anytime you want, upgrade, downgrade, cancel. There's no contract, no lock-in. Our goal really is to just offer you the best software that we can at the best price possible with exceptional support. We've been doing this for over a decade, and we've had conversations with hundreds of customers about how RCC has changed their lives, has transformed their businesses, reduced their costs, reduced their stress, reduced their workload, and really that's the goal. If we can do something to help you save time, save money, improve your personal life, because working in the food industry is a challenge, then we feel like we've met our goal. So we'd love you to join us. You can sign up for an account for free and use it, try all of our features. And if there's any questions that you have, please let us know. We're happy to book a demo or a call or get you started in any way that we can. Hope you found this intro helpful, and looking forward to hearing any feedback you have about any of our other content.